3, 2, 1. Wait. 3 plus.
Militrap, militrap. Play coming. Militrap. Kilawon.
Ganda ng tracker. Kitang-kita talaga.
Ayos, diba? Tangina po, corny lang kasi tangina. LBOY siya. Yun lang yung pangit sa kanya. Range trap, range trap. Kaya nag-get na pa LBOY ako eh. Play coming ah.
Parang si ano.
Range trap. Really, let's keep up. Yamate play. Yamate. Spell. Okay na. Nasa gula ata.
Si Raji bata yun.
Range trap, Neely, keep up. Let's go. Stop cleave. Let's wait for the shambling first. Sir. Shambling. Taunt shambling, sir.
Yes.
Sa akin. OT trap, Kazakhstan. Ingat Mili, may trap ah. Ingat Mili, may trap. Ardent proc na yung tank ah. Ito tayo. Mili trap. Adjust big. Big tayo, big. Action na.
4, 3.
Dropping Mana Tide.
Aga mo mag-start. 26 pa lang. Pero patay yata yan sa next proc ng... Oo, patay yata.
Raging. Kunin ko last raging ah.
Taunt off mo na lang ulit. Tetretan ko yun.
Sige. Ice Spear. Ice Spear income. Garing no?
Phase 2.
Sa akin pa. Sphere.
Dispel me now. Get LK.
Sir,
Dispel.
Hammer mo muna nga. Hammer mo nga muna to. Hammer muna bago mo gold red. Hammer. Kahit yung red. Kasi sa ulit na hammer.
Dispel. CD. First single.
Tifa.
Fine.
File yan.
Kung di ka mag-grab dito, Stereo.
Defile in 3.
Defile. Spread. Everybody spread now.
1. Hello, defile.
Done Holerat. Can someone pursing hole? Hammer of Justice. 55%. 60%.
Tatlong set pa tayo ng bag.
Define.
In
Defile
first.
Defile.
File.
1. Hello, defile.
Attack.
Ako na mag Hammer of Justice ah.
Two.
Grab Hammer of Justice.
Hammer mo ano. Basil. Tapos Holy Rat mo after.
Grab ako bro. Holy Rat.
PS. Fuck. Tama na, hindi ako nag-call ng PS ah. Don't PS when I don't call it.
In 3, 2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Lazy.
Pa-innervate nga ako.
Enervate the Arsham now.
Ash.
Last set of Valks.
Defile in 3,
Grab this.
2,
Grab
File,
this.
file. Okay. Kill this. Kill this raging. I kill this Valk. I don't think we can face. We can try though. I'll put the boss here.
Edge.
Edge mo lang ata, sir.
Edge.
Yeah, I know. I'm here.
Defile in 3, 2, 1.
Spread for defile.
Hello, Defile?
Push it. Stun this Valk when it comes down. Stun it. Tagal ng stun.
Di sa
Ito
akin.
naman yan.
Ice Sphere.
Puting mana totem na.
Let me just get the last raging ha.
I-threaten ko muna naka-TOT sa akin. Dispel. RD mo na ako. Righteous defense mo na ako.
Ice spear.
Kill niya rin, Jay.
Low health.
Yo.
Puta, tumalikod pa yung isa.
RD ah. Mag-RD ako tapos stunt mo na lang. Ha? Pagkalabas.
Moving. Kala ko ba ito taunt mo? Hindi mo naman na-taunt.
Nasa right click pala yung RD ko. Sorry.
Up the shaman. Up mo yung shaman ah. Pagkalabas, up mo yung shaman. Kaya siya nasishriek eh. Yun yung enough. Up now. Okay na.
Hello,
Diba?
Defile?
Defile sa akin. Pangit. Patant.
Defile. In 5, in 4, in 3.
Defile in 3, 2, 1. Hello, Defile?
When we return outside, we're gonna bloodlust, okay? Attack. Moving.
Starfall
Starfall,
sana.
Starfall.
Cerberus.
Starfall.
Cross.
When we go outside, defile, okay? Defile and BL. Okay, let's stay here. It's fine.
Hello, Defile?
Alis.
What's this priest doing and why does he keep on PSing without my call? Now I have no CD for the next.
Can someone soak it?
Oh my god. Wait, why did you soak it? Bro, you're the other
May ano ba si B?
Wala.
Meron, pares nga ako.
Defile in 3, 2,
Bires.
1. Hello,
Oh.
Defile?
Resurrection pala yan. Pala.
Pull back. Taunting. Ba't di mo sinok yun? Ba't iniwasan mo? Pwede mo naman i-stun yun. Sabihin mo naman ako if you're gonna dodge.
Sige.
Para maka-EMS ako or something.
Starfall.
Starfall.
Sa labas ata
Sa
siya
gitna
nag-stun.
sana yan.
Pa-EM na lang pagkalabas ah.
Eh.
Pag gumalaw na yung spirit, doon ka mag-EM.
Typhoon.
Defile.
Hello, Defile?
Huwag mo sila isok sabay-sabay.
Reserve na Starfall.
Defile.
Defile in 3,
Defile first.
2, 1. Hello, Defile?
Wala akong pang soak ah. AMS mo na lang.
Tayo nyo na.
Yo. Congrats.
Yung priest nag-PPS ng hindi ko hiningi.
Wala sa wala.
Maybe that's why then nag-wipe kay sa Cindy.
Naho sa kita, ano, Shabby.
Oo nga, nakita ko eh.
Don't worry. Naho sa kita, sir. Pagsok mo.
Pop ako ng defensives doon. Hindi lang nag-pop ng salve sa sarili.
Salve plus hosak. Wala, kaya yan. Naku, si Onang.
Nag-proc yung nag-proc yung Ardent kanina.
Eh. Tagal natin sa Cindy. Putik.
10 tries yan.
10?
Ako
Oh,
bang didikip?
damn.
Oh shit. Link niyo
Sino
sa-
mag-ano?
Link
Dikip
kayo sa akin.
Si ano? Si Piccolo.
Wala bang tiwala yung priest? PS niya ako ng hindi ko hinihingi yung PS eh.
You're using your PS too early.
I
Busy.
mentioned it a couple of times. I don't know. Sabi nga na.
Just wait for the call out. and if you're being called out with the PS, you have to use your PS.
Nasira yung rotation ko
Yes.
ng series. Sa IBF pa siya nagpi-PS, edi walang kwenta yung PS.
Pain soup.
Pain
Pen.
suppression.
Suppression.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to use it, bro.
So when
I
when
mean,
is the better timing?
you use
okay,
it
that
early.
explains why.
It's
Okay.
later.
Yeah, you use
Just
it
wait
too
for
early.
next time. Just
the-
wait for the tank to call out when he needs pain suppression.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So that's
Got
fine.
it.
That's good, dude. You didn't understand what I meant by PS. My bad. Can you type that? What I typed on chat? Question mark main space the main of your tune in the guild, so that I can give DKP out. You have to whisper it to me. Sorry, I need to be more specific.
Please.
Yeah, you have to whisper. Question mark main, and then space the name of your main in the guild, so that you have an idea already of how to link. MAIN, not MAN.
Okay. Man.
It's okay, dude.
Okay.
Hey, nice drops. Gago, ganda ng drops. What the fuck?
Nga yung ano,
Dragon,
dog,
oh.
Okay, thank.
yung dagger do.
Okay, thanks, man.
Ang sarap.
Bane.
Too many Bane achievement tonight.
Oh my.
Talaga ba? Oo nga, no? Gago, dami.
Apat? 5. Almost half of the raid.
Pero hindi naman first time, thankfully. Nobody
Yeah.
was fucking up the play.
Alright. I have
Okay.
to